Horticulture is defined as the science and art of producing sustainably cultivated plants, vegetables, and fruits. There is a growing awareness of the environment and sustainable living. It contributes to the quality of life while rehabilitating the environment. The global greenhouse horticulture market size was valued at approximately $24 billion in 2023 and is expected to expand up to $35 billion by 2031. As horticulture innovation grows, the agricultural industry is witnessing the transformative power of interface sensor technologies. Interface has made significant strides in measurement solutions using IoT and wireless, supporting e-agriculture and smart farming. From soil rehabilitation to plant breeding, a wide range of applications rely on accurate measurements in horticulture. This sector of agriculture plays a huge role in large-scale crop production, providing food for the global masses while simultaneously preserving biodiversity. We can provide crucial data on the intricate interactions between plants and their environment. Horticulture plays a crucial role in feeding the world while protecting our environment. By embracing the power of accurate measurement with interfaces, force measurement solutions can make informed decisions, leading to a flourishing future for this vital sector.